Good morning children, this is Sita. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry class. Children, previous class we are discussed about properties of the periodic properties. How many properties we have children? 7 properties. First property atomic radii, 7th property ionization energy, 3rd property electron gain enthalpy, 4th electronegativity, 5th electropositivity, 6th valency, 7th oxidation numbers. Previous class we are discussed about atomic radii. What is atomic radii? Or atomic size. What is atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell where electron present is known as atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. What is that unit children? 1 nanometry are equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. Next 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10 power of minus 10 meters. Final value 1 picometer equals to 10 power of minus 12 meters. Next atomic radii, according to atomic radii classified into 3 types. First one covalent radii, second one van der Waals radii, third one crystal radii or metallic radii. Previous class we have discussed about first radii. What is that first radii? Covalent radii. Covalent radii. What is covalent bond? Previous class we have discussed what is covalent bond. The mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond. How is formed covalent bond? For example, same type atoms, different type of atoms. Same type molecule, this is compound. Here hydrogen having 1 electron, next hydrogen having 1 electron. How is red electronic configuration? Here 1s1, here 1s1. Next here first hydrogen having 1 electron, next another hydrogen having 1 electron. Mutual sharing of these electrons to form covalent bond. H bond means pair of electrons. 2 electrons to form bond. This bond is called covalent bond. This is homo type. This is hetero type. Hetero means here hydrogen having 1 electron, valence electrons. Chlorine having 7 electrons. How is formed? Like hydrogen, first hydrogen having 1 electron, chlorine having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. So mutual sharing of these electrons to form covalent bond. So H bond Cl. This bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons to form covalent bond. This is homo type. This is hetero type. Homo means same type atoms combined. Homo. Hetero means different type atoms combined. Hetero. Next covalent radii. Covalent radii. First we have discussed about atomic radii. What is the definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This is nucleus. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Outermost shell or valence shell. Outermost shell. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is called atomic radii. Atomic radii or atomic size. Okay, atomic radii. Now we have discussed first type. Atomic radii classified according to nature. Atomic radii classified into 3 types: covalent radii, van der Waals radii, metallic radii or crystalline radii. Now we are going to discuss about the covalent radii. Covalent radii mean what is before previous class we have discussed what children? Atomic radii. Atomic radii means the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Keep in your mind. Now we have covalent radii. Now we have discussed covalent radii. Covalent radii means first in homolytic. First homolytic means this is one atom, another atom. See properly diagram. This is 2 atoms. Okay, equal atoms. That means H2 molecule like that. Okay, equal atoms. This is A atom. This is also A. This is center of the nucleus. This This is center of the nucleus. What is atomic radius? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Here also the distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Okay, this is nucleus. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This is one atomic radius. This is one atomic radius. Okay. First, what is covalent radius? In a homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear means same type. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. The distance between the homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. In a homonuclear diatomic molecule, the distance between the center of the two nucleus. The distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded to form bonded single covalent bond. This is center of the nucleus. In this atom center of the nucleus, this one. The distance between the in a homolactic molecule, the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded in a single covalent bond. This bond is called covalent bond. Covalent bond. This is covalent bond. Covalent radius, two types. Covalent radius means homolactic covalent radius and heterolactic covalent radius. Now we are discussing homolactic covalent radius. Homolactic covalent radius means in a homolactic molecule, the distance between the center of the nucleus, the distance between the center of the nucleus, two molecules to form covalent bond. Covalent bond. Okay. Next, bond length. Synonym covalent radius. Covalent radius. This is homonuclear diatomic molecule. This is homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Like that H2 molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. See now definition in a homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. This is homonuclear diatomic molecule. One of the distance between the center of the two nucleus. Center of the two nucleus. This is nucleus now. This is nucleus. One of the distance between the center of the nucleus. Two nucleus. This one nucleus. This one the nucleus. One of the distance between the two nucleus. Two nucleus bonded by a single bond. Bonded by a single bond. This bond is called covalent radius. Don't confuse. In a homonuclear diatomic molecule, one of the distance between the two nucleus bonded with a single bond. That bond is called covalent radius. Do you understand now? This is homo type. Homo means same type of molecules. This one same type. For example, this one hydrogen molecule and this one hydrogen molecule. The structure of hydrogen, that means spherical. No. Here this is first one molecule. This is one molecule. This center of the nucleus. What is atomic radius? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This is one atom. This one hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. For example, first both atoms are equal or not? That one is called homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homo means same type of atoms. Homo means same type of atoms. Those two atoms are same. What is covalent radius? The distance between the homonuclear diatomic molecule. One of the distance between the two nucleus bonded with a single bond. That bond is called covalent bond. Is called covalent radius. So in a homonuclear diatomic molecule, it is one of the distance between the center of the two nucleus. One of the distance between the center of the two nucleus is bonded by a single covalent bond. It is called covalent radius. Covalent radius are two types: homolactic diatomic molecule and heterolactic diatomic molecule. This is homolactic diatomic molecule. In a homonuclear diatomic molecule, molecule. It is one of the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded by a single bond. Bonded by a single bond. Bonded by a single covalent bond is called as covalent radii. Okay, this is HOMO. HOMO means same type atoms combined to form HOMO molecule. Same type atoms. If you take same type of two atoms, this is atom A, this is atom, another atom A. The distance between the one of the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded with a single bond is called covalent radii. Okay, Nana. Now we are find bond length. The distance, this one here to here distance RA. Next this one to this one distance RA. Okay, the distance between the first nucleus to this outermost shell, this distance are equals to RA. Next the distance between the second nucleus to outermost shell, this distance RA. So first this distance RA, this distance also RA. Now find the bond length. So distance between the nucleus to outermost shell RA. This is atomic radii. Atomic radii of A molecule. Next atomic radii of another A molecule. This atomic radii RA. This atomic radii RA. Now find the bond length. Bond length. Now we find bond length. The total distance of the atomic radii A and B. Bond length are equals to dA to A. dA to A equals to RA first distance, first molecule distance RA plus another molecule distance RA, same distance. RA plus RA to RA. The bond length are equals to homonuclear diatomic molecule bond length dA to A equals to 2RA. Keep in your mind, always find bond length, the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. First molecule distance RA, second molecule distance RA, first atom distance RA, second atom distance RA. Totally one molecule, no? So for RA plus RA are equals to 2RA. Keep in your mind, bond length are equals to homonuclear diatomic molecule dA to A equals to 2RA. Do you understood, Nana? In a homonuclear diatomic molecule, it is one of the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded by a single bond. This bond is called covalent radii. Single bond. Okay. First draw this diagram, after that write down definition and bond length formula. Bond length formula dA to A equals to RA plus RA. That equals to dRA to A equals to 2RA. Homonuclear diatomic molecule bond length dA to A equals to 2RA. 2RA. Keep in your mind bond length. Next we are going to second type. In a heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Hetero. Same definition, but here hetero. Next, this is covalent radii of homonuclear diatomic molecule. Next, second type, different type atoms. Different type atoms, for example, HCl. Okay. Next, if we have a heteroatomic diatomic molecule. Hetero means HCl. Which one big size? Chlorine is big size. This is one molecule. Different type. Same type homo. Different type hetero. This is center of the nucleus. Another molecule, big molecule. Small molecule, big molecule. Different type atoms combined to form molecule. For example, hydrogen, chlorine. Hydrogen having small element, chlorine having big element. No, that's why. So the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Next is distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This is A type. This is A molecule. This is B molecule. Don't confuse. Previous we have discussed H2 molecule. H2 molecule means same type atoms. If you take now different type atoms A and B. A one atom, B one atom. Same definition. In a heteronuclear diatomic molecule, one of the distance between center of the two nucleus bonded by a single covalent bond is called covalent radii. Covalent radii, this is heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Same definition. Both definitions are same, but little bit variation is there. That variation is called hetero. Okay, this is covalent radii. Covalent radii. This is which type? Which type? Heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. In here, heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Previous we have discussed the homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now we are going to discuss heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule. What is the definition? In heteronuclear diatomic molecule, the distance, one of the distance between the two nucleus bonded by a single bond. This is AB type. This is AB type. Okay, AB type. Previous we have discussed homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now we have discussed heteronuclear diatomic molecule. This one AB type. Covalent radii are two types. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. First one heteronuclear diatomic. First one homonuclear diatomic molecule. Second one heteronuclear diatomic molecule. What is the difference between heteronuclear diatomic molecule? One of the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded by a single bond is called as covalent radii. Okay. In a heteronuclear diatomic molecule of AB type. AB type. A molecule, B molecule. It is the bonding purely covalent bond. This is purely covalent bond. This is heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Find the bond length in heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Bond length. Bond length. Bond length. The distance between the first nucleus to outermost shell RA. Next, different molecules now. This nucleus to outermost shell distance RB. Okay, first distance RA, second distance RB. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Atomic radii of A molecule RA. Atomic radii of B molecule RB. What is atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. But therefore bond length are equals to D. AB type molecule no, A to B are equals to RA plus RB. RA plus RB. Bond length of heteronuclear diatomic molecule bond length RA plus RB. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. First distance RA, second atom distance RB. The distance between the first molecule and first atom and second atom. The bond length in heteronuclear diatomic molecule bond length DA to B equals to RA plus RB. Covalent radii two types nana, homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means same type atoms combined to form homo. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule means different type atoms. Different type atoms. This is A atom. This is B atom. So in heteronuclear diatomic molecule is AB type. Homonuclear diatomic molecule is AA type. Same type atoms, different type atoms. And now homonuclear diatomic molecule bond length DA to A equals to RA plus RB. That equals to 2RA. Here heteronuclear diatomic molecule bond length RA plus RB. The distance between the first atom nucleus to outermost shell. The distance is called RA. Next, what next? The distance between the second atoms to nucleus to outermost shell distance RB. Okay. So bond length are equals to A to B equals to RA plus RB. Covalent radii are two types: heteronuclear diatomic molecule and homonuclear diatomic. Next, in case of molecules with one element with greater electronegativity, than other element. For example, hydrochloric acid is there. In this compound, hydrogen having less electronegative element. Here chlorine having more electronegative element. What is electronegativity? We will discuss next class. Okay. Next, less electronegative element hydrogen, more electronegative element chlorine. Chlorine is more electronegative element, hydrogen is less electronegative elements. This one compound, we have to take one compound. In this compound, two elements is there, no? One hydrogen element, one chlorine element. In case of molecule, this is one molecule. Which one element with greater electronegativity? That means more electronegativity than other element. So, in hydrochloric acid, which one more electronegative element? Chlorine. That time we have to find one bond length. Bond length formula is there. Bond length formula. Bond length formula equals to dA to B equals to 0.09 RA plus RB minus 0.09 into JA minus JB. Keep in your mind, very important this formula. In case some molecules having one element having more electronegativity than other element, that time we have to take this bond length formula. Bond length equals to Ja minus Jb. Bond length are equals to bond length dA to B equals to Ra plus Rb minus 0.09 into Ja minus Jb. Ja means Jb means Ja equals to electronegativity of A element. Electronegativity of A element. Next, where Jb are equals to electronegativity of B element. Electronegativity of B element. Electronegativity of B element. Covalent radii are two types. Homonuclear diatomic molecule, bond length dRa to A equals to 2Ra. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule, bond length dA to B equals to Ra plus Rb. Next, in some cases, one element having more electronegativity than other element. That time bond length dA to B equals to Ra plus Rb minus 0.09 into Ja minus Jb, where Ja equals to electronegativity of A element, Jb are equals to electronegativity of B element. Next, keep in your mind, note point, covalent radii is used for non-metals. Covalent radii is used for non-metals. Keep in your mind, covalent radius used for non-metals. Covalent radii used for non-metals. Keep in your mind, covalent radii used for non-metals. Covalent radii used for non-metals. Covalent radii used for non-metals. Keep in your mind. Okay, Nana? See, once again I repeat lesson, Nana. First, what is atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell where electron present is called atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. 1 nanometer are equals to 10 power of minus 9 meters. Next, 1 angstrom unit are equals to 10 power of minus 10 meters. Next one, picometer meter equals to 10 power of minus 12 meters. Next, covalent radii, atomic radii classified into 3 types. First one, covalent radii. Second one, van der Waals radii. Third, crystal radii or metallic radii. Now, we are discussed first covalent radii. Covalent radii, what is covalent bond? That is what is covalent bond? Mutual sharing of electrons. Covalent radii are 2 types: homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means the distance between the one of the distance between the center of the two nucleus bonded by a single bond. Okay, next heteronuclear diatomic molecule mean AB type. AB type mean the distance between one of the distance between the different type nucleus, that mean AB type. So in AB type having purely covalent bond, example HCl molecule, HOMO mean example H2 molecule. Okay, for heteronuclear diatomic molecule bond length Da to B equals to Ra plus Rb. In some cases, some molecules having one element having less electronegativity than other element having more electronegativity. That time we have to take one bond length formula. That bond length formula Da to B equals to Ra plus Rb minus 0.09 into Za minus Zb. Za mean electronegativity of A element. Za mean electronegativity of B element. Covalent radii used for only non-metals. Non-metals, you know, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Non-metals 4th group, 5th group onwards, all are non-metals. Nitrogen, oxygen. Where covalent radii used for only non-metals. Hydrogen non-metal, chlorine also non-metal. Covalent radii used for non-metals. Okay, Nana, listen properly my class and write down notes. Thank you. See you next class.